In this video, we'll take a look at depiction templates in Lead Discovery ChemCharts. The chemistry visualization allows users to define a list of depiction templates that are used to guide the depiction of structures in any of the ChemCharts visualizations in the document. When a molecule is depicted, ChemCharts will first check to see if any of the depiction templates are found in the molecule. The first matching template is used to orient the depiction. By using the depiction templates, molecules from a series or project can be depicted in a consistent orientation. As I enable each of the templates, you can see the effect this has on the depictions in the ChemCharts table. You can add, edit and delete depiction templates in the Depiction Template tab of the Properties dialog for the chemistry visual. Clicking Add allows users to enter a new depiction template using the sketcher. Checking or unchecking the Enabled checkbox will set whether the template will actually be used during depiction. Users can edit or remove templates by clicking the appropriate buttons next to each template. As the order of the templates can be important, you can reorder them by dragging and dropping using the row handles. The list of depiction templates can be exported from the current document and imported into a new one. Clicking the Export button will export the list of document templates to a JSON file. In the new document, add a chemistry visual and open the Properties dialog, then navigate to the Depiction Templates tab. Clicking Import and navigating to the previously exported JSON file will import the list of depiction templates and apply them to all the molecule depictions in the ChemCharts visualizations. Here you can see the molecules in both the table and gallery visualizations being aligned to the imported depiction templates. Thanks for watching, and don't forget there are lots of other tutorial videos for Lead Discovery ChemCharts to check out.